You're at no, they bundle. They're asking. That's other for me, right? They're asking me.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Allstate bundles now. They do home, they do auto, they do insurance, health, everything.
Okay. Policyholder last name.
Oh God, what do I got on there? Did I put Nisa's? Did I ever talk to you about that? Did I put Nisa's last name or mine? It's gotta be Kohler, K-O-L-L-E-R. Make sure you put the third though.
Okay.
All right. Does it ask for the?
You're lying about that.
Does it ask for the policy number? I know that by heart.
What's your date of birth?
12/31. 79.
Policyholder phone number?
217. 430.
430.
007.
Wait, what? That's not enough numbers.
No, 0077.
0007?
Yeah, I said 0007.
Okay, well that's confusing.
Well, it sounds cooler.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so I'm not gonna put your address. What's your policy number?
All right, A dash. You got to put the number sign, but A dash 102 87349.
So I do A-1028739.
Yeah, but then you got to put FL on the end for Florida.
FL.
I'm
group or
picking my
plan
nose
number?
right now. What is it?
Group or plan number?
There is no group number, just the plan number, and that would be the last four of the one I just read you.
So 7349.
With the FL for Florida, yes.
7349 FL. Okay, I don't have secondary insurance. Okay, that should be good. Okay.
All right, now read the rest of the questions to me.
So, is this amusing to you, or?
Well, no, I was going to help you fill it out.
Okay, so it says I consent to medical and surgical procedures. I understand the consent, blah, blah, blah. I guess so. Okay.
Is there any fine print about insertion of any instruments?
No, that ain't happening.
Well, it could be necessary, is what I'm saying. And
No,
if they do that, if they do that, then it's going to get pricey. So you're going to have the insurance. But I'm going to need to know ahead of time. Are they going to shove anything inside of you?
Okay, I'll figure that out. Assignment of insurance benefits and authorization to release information.
Say it again.
Assignment of insurance benefits and authorization to release information.
Nope. Nope. I already know what that line is. Put negative. NA, non-applicable. We're not divulging any information to anybody.
Okay. So, financial agreement. This undersigned agrees whether he or she signs this agent as a patient that in consideration of services to be rendered to the patient, she obligates herself to pay applicable fees based on patient's household income and family tax.
Okay, you put, is there a spot to write in? You write obligations depend on accessibility. That's the legal term for it.
Okay, how do you spell that?
Yeah, you're on the right track so far. And then gay, shuns.
Obligations to what?
Yeah, obligations depend on accountability.
I spell accountability, A-C-C-O-U-N-A.
Ability, yeah.
On ability to what?
No, that's
on
it.
Accountability.
To accountability. Accountability.
Obligations depend on accountability?
Absolutely. That's all you put. That's a legal term. They'll know. It all makes sense. The doctor's going to read over this, and he's going to know what it all means.
Okay, so Medicare and Medicaid authorized and holder Medicare arrange release me appropriate federal. I don't care about that.
No, it's private. Private coverage.
Okay. Use of copies. A copy of these authorizations and assignments to be used in place of the original, which is on file with neighborhood health.
That's, say, what you do is you do a check mark, and then you do like a / and you write not for public viewing.
I'm so glad you're helping me.
You're welcome, honey. Anything for you.
Okay. Payment responsibility. I understand that the certain insurance claims may be filed as courtesy. However, if a claim is denied for any reason, I am responsible for payment. Insurance is considered a method of reimbursement of health care provided for services rendered to the patient.
Okay.
Some companies...
You want to to put. No, I already know. I'm on that. I'm looking at the same thing on the laptop here, but you want to put like a. All right, hold on. Let me see. Make sure I'm right here. Yeah, capital B. Put a capital B. All right, then let's see, capital / capital S.
What the fuck is this?
It's some kind of coding for. I don't quite understand it. I'm just looking at my insurance thing on what I'm supposed to put when like.
It's just asking for my initials.
Right. Put B. Capital. It's got to be capital /
I'm not putting BS.
Well, then put your initials. Damn it.
Danny?
No, I was just messing with you there. All right. So what's going on? What's next?
Okay, so privacy practices. I have been offered a copy of Neighborhood Health's Notice of Privacy Practices. Yes.
So that's like a copy of that form of what's going on privately in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell them.
In the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on. Let me next page. Alright. In the past 2 weeks, have you been bothered by the following? Little interest or pleasure in doing things. So, feeling down, depressed, or hopeless every day. Trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, too much sleep. Not at all. I can sleep like a baby. Feeling tired or having little energy. Well, every day. Poor appetite or overeating. Every day. Feel bad about yourself, feeling like a failure, or you let yourself or feeling down every day. Trouble concentrating every day. Moving or speaking slowly, being so fragile that others notice. I don't know.
Every day.
Okay. Okay. Trouble concentrating every day. Okay, yeah. Thought you would be better off dead, or you want to hurt yourself. These are some fucked up questions, man.
And this is all because you caught chirpies?
Shut the fuck up. How difficult have these problems made it for you to work, concentrate, blah, blah, blah? Extremely. Do you feel worried, anxious, stressed, or irritable? Yes, very. Woman, in the past year, have you drank more than 4 alcoholic drinks in one setting? Fuck yeah. Okay. In the past year, have you used any legal drugs or... Fuck yeah. Okay. What kind of question is that? 4 drinks in one sitting? Damn.
Yeah, because your boyfriend was out of roofies.
Yeah. Please circle which one applies and fill in the selections. What? My appointment was scheduled. No. The staff were courteous. Sure. I'm aware of evening and weekend hours. Sure. Some offers. Sure. Business about treatment is important. Have you ever gotten reminders or never? Did anyone in the office ask you if you felt sad, empty, or depressed? I mean, not yet. Okay.
All right, listen. What you need to do is go in there, make sure, because just to make sure everything's legit and that nothing comes back on you. Go ask them if they have they should have them, but it's called an Id-Iot Form. See if they've got one, and then you need to fill that.
What the fuck is that shit?
Trust me, it's just for legalities, but you need to go see if they've got one in.
Well, I gotta know what it is before I ask them, so I know how to talk back.
No, I'll ask them. It's an Id-Iot Form. It's an acronym. So see if.
Just a second then.
Okay, yeah, go in there and see if they've got one. Id-Iot Form.
A what?
It's an Id-Iot Form.
Id-Iot Form?
Yes.
Random things. She said she doesn't have them.
Yeah, capital letters. Spell it out. Id-Iot Form. They should have them there. It's supposed to be mandatory, or not mandatory, but like regulatory.
Well, do you want to talk to her?
Well, just ask her to write it down for her. She might recognize it if you write it down for her.
No, she knows what you're talking about. She says she don't have it.
Has she heard of the Id-Iot forms?
Have you heard of it? She's saying you're gonna have to talk with like billing about
Have they?
It has to do with his intern. It's like a legal form. She's saying talk to the billing.
Ask her if if they're just out of them, or I mean, she at least knows what an Id-Iot form is, right?
He wants to know if you're out of them or if you just don't know what it is. They don't keep them here.
Ask her if she can write it down. Id-Iot form and ask like one of her supervisors or something.
So I can't use his insurance now? Yeah. He can't. I don't know why he's asking for this form.
Trust me, it's legal. There's legal ramifications because I'm in another state. There's legal.
I know she doesn't know what it is. So
did she write it down? Write it down for her. Just write it down.
Okay, say it one more day.
Id-Iot Form. Now read it to her.
He just wants to, I guess, see if you can ask about it, if anyone knows what this is.
Read it to her.
Okay.
What does it say? Did you write it down?
Okay. Yes, I did. She's not sure what it is, but we can always talk to Billy.
Show it to her and ask her. Show it to her and ask her to read it.
I did.
Read it to me.
She's never even heard it, but I did write it down for her. Stop yelling in my ear. I'm trying to put my paperwork together. Jesus, Danny, you're being difficult for no reason.
What does Id-Iot spell?
Yeah.
So they don't have any Id-Iot forms? Hello? Did I lose you?